Today in the livestock market, cattle is down even more. That cash activity basically has stalled out. The traders just don't know which way to go with this. The futures are lower for the sixth day in a row. Plus, box beef prices continues to fall, really putting some pressure on the market. That 139 number is a major support level right now, and we're getting very, very close to that. If we break through that number and we get follow through selling, it looks like we could get a lot more liquidation. But and something to say about that CVOL is up to 17.5%. I haven't seen it above 15% in really a number of months, so I think it's significant. It's just an indication that there's a lot of more action in the market. Now the feeders rebounded, which is kind of interesting, and I think that might give pause to the beef complex as a whole. Supplies are tightening and expected to tighten for the rest of the year, and especially with the higher feed prices, because of the grain rally, I would have thought that perhaps maybe would put a little pressure on the market. But there seems to be a little bit of a ripple effect that's impacting the livestock markets as a whole. Now the hogs were steady today. The futures did recover from this recent liquidation that we have, but it's starting to just look like it was a simple correction, once we got up to the 112 mark. So having the market sell off a little bit isn't a surprise. Fundamentally, the hog market in the pork is still very strong. Cash prices are also moving higher, and that's expected to continue as well. So today we had a little recovery, even though the market is steady. It just seems like perhaps we have found a bottom for now. The CVOL is at 33.7%, which is pretty high. I've seen higher, and of course, compared to the grain market, it doesn't look like that much, but it's still very, very strong. And it's showing that there's plenty of underlying support on the pork side anyway.